Some structure and good evening. My name is BOYU, and today I'm going to presentation my high fidelity prototype and SRS revision for the Ethica eMoney system. And my responsible user case is user case 8, reinvest the funds. So for this, we have discovered the problem when we start this user case. So the digital wallet investment involves financial risk and also requires the eligibility checking and also request have some audit login for this user's operation. So we have some related user cases, which is user case 9 and user case 10. So for user case 9 is for the eligibility checking, and for the user case 10 is for the fraud checking, which is checking the user's device's security. And for the major actor, it includes the customer, and the supporting actors include the claim officer and the financial team. So we include scenario. For the scenario, we have the supporting flows include the normal flow, which is success, and the alert flow, which is the editing product amount, and also include the inefficiency balance and the not eligible and the fraud and the AML blocking, which is for the security reason. And for the misuser case, it's quite like the user case 10. It's a mitigation for the user case 10 for the block the transaction, generate the financial alert, and record the adult evidence. So for this prototype, I use the Node.js and Express to develop the whole users and UI and the backend. So for this, I deployed it in my own server and use my own domain. For the UI style, I follow the Ethica UI style, and we use a scenario switch by this parameter. So for this, we include the reinvest. This form will submit for the investment, and also can review to confirm by the confirm pass, and also include the eligible for the user case 9 and scanning for the user case 10. Also has a success for the receipt and the block for the fraud migration, and also the adult log for the user operation evidence. So for the we also made the kernel model. For the must be, it must have the reinvest form and the confirmation and the correct wallet debit for the balance. And we also have a performance. For the performance, we need the eligible feedback and the fraud scanning and clear message to show to the users, and attractive for the security tips and the adult transaction and the report feature. So for the problem we have solved now is a wallet debit time unclear and of this. So for this SRS revision, we made the new user case diagram to check each progress, like the sufficient and the eligible, and the last steps is for the user case 10 for fraud scanning. So now I'm going to demo. So for this, I can go into my website. We can see the balance. And now I'm going to demo the success situation. So we set the reinvest and the 200. So we just click it and click the confirm. It will check the eligible and scanning the security. When we success, it will see this. And we can do the new investment and back to the dashboard. We have to see the value can increase to the 700 for the investment account. And for the insufficient balance, we can click the apply, and we can do that again. We can see that before. So when we confirm, it will stop here because it is insufficient and pop up the window. So we can back to the dashboard or change the amount. And we also have a not eligible, and and we set the same value. So we can confirm it. After this, it will stop and also generate a report, generate a log. So we can also back to here, and we can see the value is right, is not changed. And we also have some advanced features, which is 2FA. We can switch on and switch off. We can also update the limit. Like we can set it 1000. Yes, it's changed. But if we change to the invalid, it will see this. And when we also have a report to submit the report, we can categorize different cases. And we also have the open adult logs. We can see here it have correctly to record each records, and we can also see the security settings and some security alert. So that's all for my prototype. And this have high fidelity prototypes, the SRS ambiguous, and also synchronized this analyze improve the requirement quality. So that's all for my project. Thank you.